Vin Diesel hypes Fast 9 with image of him and The Rock. Vin Diesel hypes the nearing release of Fast and Furious 9, as well as the end of the Fast Saga, with an image of him and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Vin Diesel hypes up the upcoming release of Fast and Furious 9 with an image of him and The Rock. The car-centric franchise that started in 2001 is now gearing up to release the ninth film in the main the Fast Saga narrative. Diesel's Dom reunites with his old crew for a new mission in F9, which is potentially his most dangerous yet. During it, he's pitted against his estranged brother, Jakob, John Cena. Backed up by Cypher, Charlize Theron, the villain appears to be hell-bent on going after Dom, and while the reason why is still unclear, it may very well be personal. Given this, it seems Dom will need all the help he can get in F9. This had led many to wonder if he'll reconnect with old allies such as Hobbs, played by Johnson. It's no secret Johnson and Diesel have had their differences, resulting in a private feud. As of now, Johnson is not expected to appear in F9. However, it's possible the two stars may have finally smoothed things out, as hinted at by Diesel's latest social media post. Related. The most anticipated movies of 2021. On Instagram, Diesel interestingly shared an image of his character from Fast 5, while Hobbs can be seen in the background. The image doesn't reveal anything new. However, it's the caption that's drawing attention, as the actor not only hyped the release of F9 but what's coming to the Fast Saga overall by including the hashtag #F10 and #Saga. Check out the photo below. In December 2020, Tyrese Gibson, who had been vocal about Johnson's involvement in the Fast Saga, announced his feud with the actor is over. This all started when the spin-off Hobbs and Shaw was announced, and Gibson accused The Rock of attempting to take over the franchise. It didn't help the main cast was displeased with how Shaw was handled in the Fate of the Furious, as he has yet to be held accountable for Honolulu's accident at the end of the Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift. Despite all of this drama, between Gibson's comments and Diesel's social media post, it's possible they've both patched things up with Johnson. However, it's hard to know if this means Johnson will appear in Fast and Furious 9. For starters, the movie has long finished production, and this feud may have not been over when they wrapped up filming. The only reason it hasn't come out yet is because of the coronavirus pandemic. It's also worth noting Diesel may have simply chosen a photo of his character at random, with Hobbs' appearance a mere coincidence. That said, Diesel previously teased a super-secret cameo in F9, which could factor in. Either way, the actor's post should only increase excitement for the upcoming film and conclusion of the Fast Saga. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.